everybody, and welcome back to another fun family craft time with Jen from the Blue Mountains Public Library. Today we are going to be making a fun craft that encourages imaginative play at home for our youngsters. If you can remember, a couple weeks ago we made our own camping lanterns with things that you find around the house. So today we are going to be doing something a little similar. For those of you who love camping and or love having campfires on rainy days, you can now do that at home inside. So we are going to be making our own imaginative play campfires today. So for this craft, you are going to need red, yellow, and orange tissue paper, some cotton balls. If you can find a branch, use a branch. If you don't have one or you can't find one, you can use a long skewer stick or cut up tissue paper, and I'm going to show you how to cut that up really easily. Some battery operated tea lights, and for the base of the fire, I have this at home. It's a plant holder. If you don't have one of these, you can make your logs out of brown Bristol board or brown construction paper, or if you have brown cardboard like from boxes laying around the house, you can use that as well. So our very first step is I'm going to show you a simple way to cut the tissue paper to get ready for it. I took 2 tissue sheets of each color, put them together as so, flatten them up, fold it back in half, and then I cut strips like this. Took my scissors, put it into the middle. This is where kids get an adult to help you. Cut that again, and then you cut your squares, just as so. So, to get the squares glued on to your plastic container, again, I just used a peanut butter container I had around the house. You're going to use white glue. If you're at the dollar store, you can use the tacky craft glue. It works really, really well. You take a pencil or a marker, whichever you can find, and you take your tissue paper, put it over the end of your pencil or marker, dip it into your glue, as so. Take it and you pop it on to your container. You are going to do that until you fill the container right around and cover up the top with your yellow, red, and orange tissue paper. Once we have the container completely covered, meet me back here and we'll be off to our next step. Well, covering this is quite the process. I hope you guys had some help, because it is a bit of a lengthy job, isn't it? Getting all those little pieces of tissue on here. You don't have to have it too like packed and tight. If you have some little spots that are a little bit bare, that's okay, because we are going to put a little tea light underneath it, and it will just give it that really great campfire effect, because you'll see the light through the plastic a little bit better. So we're going to set this guy aside. You can even fluff the paper if you like, just for a moment, because we are going to get our marshmallows ready. So this is when our branch or our stick, whatever you could find around the house, we're gonna get it ready, because we're gonna put a marshmallow on the end of it. So we're gonna have some pretend s'mores. And if you want to make some s'mores, you can cut up some cardboard into rectangular pieces, and if you have like black colored felt at home, you can cut that, and that can be your chocolate, and the cardboard can be your graham wafer crackers. And I mean, you can have so much fun with this craft. So I am actually going to put a little bit of glue on the cotton ball, and then a little bit more on the next one, and we're we're gonna actually glue it right onto our stick. There we go. Our marshmallow on our stick is ready. Let's get this out of the way. Okay, so we're off to our final steps. So we're gonna get our base ready. So just remember, if you don't have one of these, use cardboard, use construction paper, and you know, you can make your own fire logs. The next time you're at the dollar store, you can look for these in the gardening section too. That's where I found this one. So I kept the bottom lid for my container. So I actually taped my battery operated tea light to the bottom of it. We are gonna very gently take our little fire, attach it, put it into the middle, and if you have some fun rocks, you can put some rocks around it too to make it extra awesome. I'm now gonna take my marshmallow and I'm gonna roast it. And I'm gonna have lots and lots of fun with my indoor campfire. I hope you guys had tons of fun, and remember to meet me back here next Saturday at 11 a.m. for more family craft time. Bye, have a wonderful weekend.